Hi, my name is Greg Francis. I'm the owner of MainPlan Systems. We are a small software company in Australia that produces software that is used by manufacturing companies and food product companies to plan the preventative maintenance of their manufacturing equipment. We initially used paper-based work orders for all of our documentation. And in about 2018, we were looking for a product that would enable us to put a front end onto our software to use tablets and mobile phones for our users to interface. We looked at several companies and eventually we came to Appenate, and we immediately liked several things about Appenate. One was they were a small company and very responsive to us when we told them what our application was. The second thing was that Appenate had a lot of connectors available for their product to allow us to connect our software to their software. So they were very focused on providing the ability to interchange software between Appenate and other software products. And the third thing was that Appenate was a technically focused company with a lot of experts that were readily available to assist us in setting up our interface to Appenate and to set up our particular needs. The most important thing about our partnership has been this ability to utilise the experts within Appenate to assist us to produce the outcomes that we need, so that we haven't had to get focused in on the idiosyncrasies of an Apple user interface or an Android user interface. And we've been able to focus on our business, which is providing an interface to our users to provide data back to our systems. In closing, I'm saying we've been extremely happy with our partnership with Appenate. 2018, it's been 7 years, into our 7th year now. Very happy with the way it's gone and very happy with the support we've received along the way from Appenate. I hope other users have exactly the same experience, and I'm sure they will.